What can I do if my cake is not cooking properly in the middle?
Hello, baking enthusiasts. In today's tutorial, we're tackling a common problem faced by bakers worldwide, an undercooked cake middle. Don't worry, we have some handy tips to ensure that your cake bakes evenly every time. Let's crack this baking puzzle together.
Why is my cake not cooking properly in the middle?
When your cake isn't cooking properly in the middle, it could be due to several reasons. Incorrect oven temperature, the wrong pan size, or even the position of your cake in the oven can influence how your cake bakes. Remember, the key to perfect baking is understanding how these elements work together. Let's dive into some troubleshooting techniques.
How can I ensure the right oven temperature?
Even if your oven shows the right temperature, it might not be accurate. Invest in an oven thermometer to check the true temperature. If your oven is running hotter than you set, it might cook the outer part of the cake quickly while leaving the middle undercooked. Lower your oven temperature slightly and increase baking time to ensure an evenly cooked cake.
Does the pan size matter?
Yes, the pan size and material matter. If your pan is too small, the batter will be too thick, leading to an undercooked middle. Always use the pan size recommended in your recipe. Thick, heavy pans, like cast iron or glass, retain heat more than thin, light pans. This might result in overcooked sides and an undercooked middle. If you have a choice, opt for aluminum pans, which heat up and cool down quickly.
Where should I place the cake in the oven?
The cake's position in the oven can greatly affect how it bakes. Position your cake in the middle of the oven to allow for proper heat distribution. Avoid overcrowding the oven. If you are baking more than one cake at a time, ensure there's enough space around each pan for the heat to circulate.
What about the batter?
A common mistake is overmixing the batter, which can make your cake dense and prevent it from cooking evenly. Also, make sure your baking powder or baking soda is fresh. Stale leavening agents might not rise as expected, leading to an undercooked middle. Baking a perfect cake is a mix of science and art. With these tips, you can easily fix an undercooked cake middle. Remember, every oven and recipe is unique. So, don't be disheartened if you don't get it right the first time. Keep experimenting and you'll surely nail it. Happy baking!